Got him. Hey, check it out, y'all. Decided to come out here and try some bass fishing today. Ooh. Come here, bud. Nice. Let's get it out. Haven't been bass fishing in a minute. It's been a while. Check it out, y'all. Oh. Ooh, he's a nice little one. Feels good to be out here bass fishing though. I haven't been out here freshwater fishing in a while. Alright, let's get another look at him. He's a nice little dink. Let's get him in. And he's gone. Check it out, y'all. I'm using that Yum Dinger. That Cali Gold Flake, I think it was called. Something like that. Man, I gotta get another worm. It's all tore up. Still going though. Man, hopefully y'all like that last video I put up of me over there in Galveston, y'all. And I had the fillet and everything going that time, because I know I didn't get the video out there to y'all on the previous trip to Galveston. But that time I got it up, and it did pretty good. So hopefully I can get out there again, or maybe try out some other freshwater spots. I got a buddy of mine that told me that he wanted me to go out try some of his ponds out there, freshwater fishing, but I don't know yet. I gotta see whenever I get some free time. Hopefully this weekend though. If it's this weekend, we'll get out there, but I don't know. Man, I want to catch some reds. That's what I want to do, is catch some reds though. I can get a hold of some reds, dude. That'd be it. Yeah, I know some spots in Galveston. Let me know, cause I only know Seawell Park and 61st Pier and Texas City. That's all I know. But if y'all know some other spots, let me know. I'll try to get out there and make a video for y'all. Alright, y'all. Stay tuned. I'm gonna try to get something else for y'all. Ooh, check it out, yeah. Am I recording? Yeah, check it out, y'all. I just got a nice one. Oh my god, y'all. Dude, this one's freaking fat. Ooh. Hold on, y'all. Hold on. Oh, no. Alright. Y'all hold on real quick so I can get him in. Ooh. Oh, I'm slipping and falling, y'all. Dude, I don't know how I'm gonna grab this one. Ugh. I got no grip. I got no grip, y'all. Ooh. Oh man, he's right there. All right, let me get the phone. Got the phone. Put the phone in my pocket. All right. Oh man, dude, that's a freaking. Oh snap. Oh, he's on my one hook. He's on by one hook, y'all. No. No. Ugh. Bam, y'all, check it out. No freaking way. Oh my god. Dude, that has to be at least 4 pounds easy, man. Oh my god. Oh snap. Oh snap. Oh snap. Dude, I don't have a. Oh, look how easy that came out. Oh my god, y'all. Dude, that is wild. Look at that bucket mouth. Man. Let me get some pictures for Instagram and everything. Dude, look at that. Holding them on my arm. Dude, that's crazy. I don't believe it. Dude, that's wild. Dude, that's crazy. Man, yo. Dude, that is one big bass. I haven't seen a bass like this in I don't know how long. Whew, I'm shaking. That was crazy, yo. Hey, what's up? Just got this big old bass, y'all. Buck your mouth. Look at that. Nice 6 pound easy, maybe 4. Hey, what's up? Dude, that's wild. That's wild, y'all. Alright. Let's get him in. Dude. 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 I don't believe it. I don't believe it. My foot's cramping up. Dude, that's wild. Here it goes. Get a slow-mo of it. Big old fatty. Yo, that is wild. Look at that. Trying to revive her now. She's tired. Nah, man, you ain't gonna be turning stuff. There we go. Oh, that was crazy. Dude, that was freaking wild. Oh, man. That was freaking wild. Ugh. Ooh. Whew. Man, yo, that was crazy. Alright, y'all stay tuned. Alright, y'all. I hope y'all liked the video. That's all I got today for y'all was just those two. And hopefully this weekend, like I was telling y'all, I can get at something else and hit up another area for y'all or something. Alright, y'all. Like the video if y'all enjoyed it. Leave a comment and let me know what y'all think about it. And if you're not subscribed, make sure you subscribe for more. Because I got plenty more videos and ideas coming out. Alright, y'all. I'll see y'all on the next one. And that should be either in a couple of days or on the weekend. Alright, y'all. Thanks for watching.